Hello world, back here at the property. Today we are going to be tackling some trees in the backyard and just starting the process of cleaning the outside, so that way when we go to move to the inside and start working, a lot of our workspaces are already cleaned up and organized for us, just trying to prepare ourselves for the overhaul inside. So the last time we were here, we actually got a little overzealous and started working and just getting into the, steward spirit and the stewardship spirit of just taking care of this place, and we just got like carried away and we forgot to bring you guys along. So we're already like in the process of this, but
of only one tree. This is only one tree and you're only seeing half of it because there's a lot more over there. So today we are going to finish trimming up this one tree and get it cleaned up off of the yard and ready for trash when the trash man comes next week. So hope you enjoy this video and let's get her done. Up that bag.
Bags. 99 bags of leaves on the wall.
And it's light as a feather.
99 bags of leaves.
So a little update on the tree trimming. We are finally done with all the trees. And I'd just like to show you how much wood we actually got from this tree trimming. So here's one of the trees, nice and high. Everything's pointing up. It's up off the roofs. And here's one of the piles of wood. And then we have another pile right here, and we've given away a pile, and we have another pile right here, and then we have all this brush over here. That noise in the background is the generator. We have this pile of brush and this pile of brush. We're gonna get a wood chipper and mulch it, and then we have this pile of wood is what we're keeping. So the trees definitely turned out nice. backyard's still full of shade, but the trees are not touching the ground, or hopefully won't be making this much leaves anymore. And the next thing we're going to be doing is setting up this area back here for where our wood chips are gonna go. And then this area will become the garden area. It does get afternoon sun, so I might have to put a green shade over it, but right there is where the wood chips are gonna go. Eventually this shed and this shed will be torn down, but this is a nice sunny area in our yard, so this is where we decided to put it.
So just look at the light.
Alright, so as you can see, the piles are gone, and now we are just raking up the remnants of the leaves. Got some piles over here that we need to get rid of. And so you guys are probably wondering why we set up those bins for this chipper and then we never ended up actually using it. So long story short, I couldn't get this piece of machinery back in that area, or I couldn't get it around these buildings here between those piles to get back to those bins. So unfortunately we had to set it up here and dump the mulch here and basically create ourselves extra work. But nevertheless, I am just happy with the fact that we were able to get the chipper and chip all that wood at a decent price and within a remarkable amount of time. Approximately took us 1 hour on the front pile here and then about 2 hours on that big pile back there. And so now we're just basically cleaning up all of these little areas here and around the tree, just like one good cleanup. This has actually been I would say in reality time probably weeks, but as far as our actual time here, it's probably been several days of work as far as bagging up that many bags so far. I'd say there's probably 50 bags over here, and And then now this project here, which you have just seen take place, was chipping all of the limbs. So yeah, we've put a decent amount of time into this, and we still got a lot more to go on the backyard, but as you can see, we're just plugging away. Alright guys, well that does it for us out here at the property. We've gotten all the trees trimmed. Some family members have taken away a lot of the logs that we didn't end up using, and we are just going to go ahead and wrap things up for the day. That's where we had the pile of chipped wood. We've gotten a lot of it knocked down and put over in the bins for the chicken coops and the compost pile in the future. And we got all the bags out of the road. Boy, that was a chore raking up that many leaves. But I appreciate you guys riding with us for this project, and stay tuned for more out here at the property. Like and subscribe if you like videos like this, and we'll see you next time.
All right, so Long's day. Run that back. Okay.